Welcome to video lecture. A course material on CE 8701, the estimated costing and valuation engineering. Present by Rajiv Gandhi, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. This is a Unit 3, Specifications, Reports and Tenders. Let me discuss in the specification. Specification is defined as the separate contract document consisting of information regarding the quality of materials and workmanship. The combination of drawing and specification will completely define the structure physically and technically. Sometimes it may be used to describe the content which could not be explained clearly by drawing. Okay, then next we discussed in the detailed specification. This gives the detailed description of the various item of work, laying down the quantities and qualities of materials, their proportions, the method of preparation, workmanship and execution of work. The detailed specification of various item of works are as follows. There is earthwork in excavation in foundation and lime concrete in foundation and lime concrete in roof terracing and cement concrete 1:2:4 and then cement concrete 1:2:4, reinforced cement concrete, that is short name was RCC. Then next damp proof course 2.5 centimeter, the proportion is 1:1.5:3. Then brickwork first class, then brickwork second class and third class, then brickwork in mud mortar and reinforced brickwork, that is RB work. Then next plastering cement mortar or lime mortar. Then next one pointing cement or lime mortar. The next one lime punning and next one 2.5 centimeter cement concrete floor and 15th mosaic or terrazzo floor and 16th one brick on edge or brick flooring over 7 centimeter lime concrete. Then 17th one whitewashing, 18th color washing, 19th distembering and 20 snowstorm washing and 21 decorative cement color washing and 22 painting, 23 painting steel and iron work and 24 varnishing, 25 fresh sprit polishing, 26 woodwork, that is a carpenter work, then 27 doors and windows and 28 glazing, 29 centering and shuttering and 30 ashlar masonry and 31 coarse rubble stone masonry and 32 random rubble stone masonry, then 33 mud terracing with the tile brick paving and 34 Madras terrace roofing and 35 asbestos cement corrugated sheet roofing and then asbestos cement semi corrugated or Trafford sheet roofing, then galvanized corrugated iron sheeting, that is GCI sheet, that is galvanized corrugated iron sheet roofing, then Allahabad tile roof, then Mangalore tile roof, then 40 earthwork in irrigation channel and roads, then 41 cement mortar, 42 white lime mortar, then 43 Kangar lime mortar, then 44 white lime, then 45 Kangar lime, then 46 brick ballast, 47 surki, 48 cinder, then 49 sand, then determination of silt content of sand by field test, then finally determination of bulking of damp sand by field test. That is the detailed specifications. So, in the detailed specification, the first one is earthwork. The first one is earthwork and excavation in foundation. That is earthwork excavation in foundation. There is a first one is excavation. Second, finish of trench. There is a excavation. Foundation trenches shall be dug out the exact width of foundation concrete, and the side shall be vertical. That is the condition, vertical. In the soil is not good and does not permit vertical sides. The side should be sloped back or protected with timber shoring. Okay. Then next, finishing of trench. The bottom of foundation trenches shall be perfectly leaved both longitudinal and transversely, and the sides of the trench shall be dressed perfectly vertical front and bottom up to the least thickness of loose concrete, so that concrete may be laid to the exact width as per design. Okay. Then finds and water in foundation, trench filling, and then finally measurement. Then second point, lime concrete in foundation. Lime concrete in foundation also, first one is material. All material shall be as per standard specification. Then fine aggregate shall be a surkey or sand cinder as specified. Then lime shall be white fat lime and shall be a freshly burned and free from ash and other foreign matters. Okay. Then next, proportion. That the proportion, white lime is the proportion 100 is 32 is to 16 by volume. The next, mixing and laying and compacting and joint at conjunctive layer, and then curing, and finally measurement. Then lime concrete in roof terracing. Lime concrete in roof terracing also, first one is material. All material shall be of standard specification, and then fine aggregate shall be of surkey, clean, free from dust, dirt and foreign matters. Then proportion and mixing, laying and finishing, then curing, the measurement. Okay. The next one is cement concrete 1:2:4. There is also, first one is material. Aggregate shall be a invert material and should be clean, dense, hard, sound, durable, non-absorbent. That is the character. Okay, that is the material character. And then proportion, then how to mix, hand mix and machine mixing, slump, formwork and laying, then curing, then finally measurement. That is a same concept. Okay. Then reinforcement concrete RCC. Then first one, steel, selection of steel and shentering and shuttering. Second point, shentering and shuttering, and proportion of cement concrete, then mixing and laying and curing, then measurement. That is the common procedure for the detailed specification of all the works. Okay. The next one is brickwork in first class. The used in the first class brick, then mortar detail and laying, how to construct it, that is a laying and a curing, and protection, scaffolding, then measurement and brickwork in arches, then finally measurement. And also next one is brickwork second class and third class. Brickwork and second class and third class means used in the second class means second class brick will be used, and third class means third class brick will be used. Then brickwork in mud mortar. Brick shall be specified maybe a second class or third class. The mud should be made of selected earth, will be used in the brickwork in mud mortar. Then reinforced brickwork, there is the RB work. The reinforced brickwork is also, first one is material, selection of material, then shentering and shuttering, and mixing of mortar and laying, mixing of mortar and next one laying, and then finishing, then finally measurement. The next one is plastering of cement mortar or lime mortar. The joints of the brickwork shall be racked out the depth of 18 mm and the surface of the wall shall be washed and kept wet for 2 days before plastering. The materials of mortar, cement and sand or lime and surki or sand or kangar lime as specified should be of standard specifications. The materials or mortar shall be first dry mixed by measuring with boxes to have the required proportion and then water added slowly and gradually and mixed thoroughly. Then cement, sand, mortar 1:3, 1:4, 1:5 and 1:6. Cement, lime, sand, mortar 1:1:6. Then lime surki or sand mortar is 1:1, 1:2. Then kangar lime mortar, kangar lime alone. For ceiling plastering 1:3 cement mortar with coarse sand is generally used. The next one is pointing and live punning. The next, mosaic or terrace floor. The mosaic floor consists of 2 layers, the bottom layer 2 cm cement concrete 1:2:4. Then whitewashing, fresh white lime slagged at site of work should be mixed with sufficient water to make thin cream. Then color washing, color wash shall be prepared with fresh slagged white lime mixed with water to make thin cream, adding the color pigment to the required quantity to give the required tint. Then finally determination of bulking of damp sand by field test. Take a glass measuring cylinder and fill 3/4 of the cylinder with the sand under test and lightly tap with the cylinder and read the volume of sand. The pour water in the cylinder to submerge the sand and chill the sand well and allow to settle and then read the volume of sand. When the sand is fully saturated by submerging, its volume is same as dry volume. The difference in the original volume and final volume is the bulking and the percentage of bulking is therefore capital V minus V divided by small v into 100. Okay. Thank you for watching video. Thank you.